Now, what if I told you many of these richest people in Nigeria does not work for money? They make their money work for them. Imagine you owning a piece of a company like GTCO, Dangote Sugar, Zenith Bank, First Bank, and in this you are getting paid quarterly, annually, as these very companies are growing. Now, this is exactly what the stock market is all about. Now, imagine you sitting back and allowing your money works for you. Now, the smartest way to build wealth right now is through the stock market. Now, in this video, it's going to be a very simple and theoretical video on how you can get started with the stock market. Now, in this video, I want to simply explain to you how you can get started with the Nigeria stock market and why getting started will be the smartest financial decision you will make. Now, what is stock market? Now, stock market is a marketplace where investors buy and sell public listed companies. Now, imagine this as a marketplace where you go and buy a piece of a company and be a shareholder in that company. Now, imagine a company having a large piece of cake, and this very company wants everybody in their country to have a piece of this very cake. Now, they divide this cake into millions of pieces, which is called shares, of which everybody can own a small piece of these shares. And while this company is growing, these shares is also growing with them. When this company makes profit annually or quarterly, they can choose to at least share it with their investors, which is called dividends. Now, in this video, it's going to be a foundational video that is going to show you how you can simply get started with the Nigeria stock market very easy, even if you don't know anything about stock markets. Now, if you are someone who wants to build a long-term wealth, then investing in the stock market should be your major priority. This is not for those looking for quick money or fast way to make money. So let's move to what you need to get started in the Nigeria stock market. Now, here are the things you need to get started in the Nigeria stock market. Number one, you need what we call a brokerage account. Now, a brokerage account is like you opening an account with GT Bank, First Bank, or Zenith Bank, right? Now, this is like your own personal account, and there are diverse platforms you can create a brokerage account with. But for a beginner who is just starting out, what I will advise you is start with AfriVestor 2.0. Now, this is what I use. You can easily find the link to download this app in the description of this video, or I will share the app logo around this very video. I'm not promoting this very app. The reason I'm recommending this app to you is because this app is very beginner friendly, simple to use. It breaks everything down, like even a 5-year-old can understand this app and can start investing with this app right now. And before we go further with this video, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor in any way. This is just my own personal research, no personal knowledge, of which I'm sharing with you right here in this very channel. Now, the next thing you need is your details to register an account with them, your BVN, your NIN, your proof of address. This can be a form of your NEPA bill or your bank statement. Now, this will help you verify your identity to know that you are the real owner of this very account. And the next thing you will need is a passport or a selfie. Now, this can be easily done with this very app. You can do that on that very platform, and they can take a passport and a selfie of you, and if it's possible, you can add a signature to it. Now, remember, this is not a practical video, this is a theoretical video. In my next coming videos, I'm going to be taking you through my phone, showing you practically how you can make this happen. Stay subscribed and like this video so that my coming videos you will not miss out. Now, the next thing you will need is your CSCS number. Now, CSCS number is like a registration number. It's a certificate you can use to buy stock in any of these Nigeria stock markets, right? Now, CSCS number is what you need, and your brokerage account, which is the platform you are creating your account, can easily create this for you. So in AfriVestor 2.0, once you create your account, it takes at least 24 to 72 hours for your CSCS number to be generated. Now, once your account is created successfully and you are verified, the next thing you want to do is to fund your account. For more better explanation, I'll take you to my phone and show you how you can fund your account. Now, this is my AfriVestor 2.0 right here. You can just see the fund account is just standing right there. Click on fund account. You can easily click on any amount you want to fund. Let's say you want to fund 10,000 naira, right? 10,000, right? Click on continue. Click on, as you can see, the minimum amount is 15 naira right there. You can either fund your account through bank transfer or credit and debit card. Click on bank transfer. They are going to generate an account number for you. You can use to fund your account, as you can see right here. Now, if you use the other one, which is the bank transfer, they're going to give you several options you can use to fund your account. So make sure you stay updated to my next video to know how I fund my account and which of these options I use to fund my account. So this is how you can easily fund your account. So once you fund your account, in the next few minutes, the amount you funded your account with is going to reflect in your wallet. After you have funded your account, the next thing you want to do is how to invest. To invest is very simple. You can just click on invest right here, and right here you can go to Nigeria stock market and you can access all the market all the Nigeria stock market you can invest on right now, but you don't have to do that. Doing that is a lot of risk. Now, this is where information comes in. You have to know what to invest on, how to invest. In my coming videos, I'll show you how to invest, what to invest on, and where to invest. How to do your own personal research, how to invest on stocks that pay dividends, how to invest in stocks that has the potential to skyrocket in the next coming years, and many other things you need to know before you can invest. So drop any question in the comment section. I'm there to reply to all my comments. And I don't leave my comment unread. And also let me know what video you want me to create next. If I get a lot of requests on a particular video, I'm going to set up my camera. I'm going to do a video on that for you, my subscribers. Like and share to someone who is going to find this useful. So with that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.